Alright, check it out. This one is the 2025 Buick Encore. It's a little sporty looking. It's not as nice as the Jeep. The GX. New Mexico. Yeah, they are. Small, fun, comfortable. That Mercedes was not comfortable. You got your USBs in the back here. Nice. Front seats. This is nice. Got a little deal there. This one has 12,447. We'll be taking it to Peoria. Test drive. Look like they try to copy some of the Tesla. Tesla has these same little circles. It's how you control the side mirrors and all that stuff. I'm not getting in on how we control stuff because, for one, I don't get in here and play with anything. Sometimes I'll connect my radio, but I mean, they all do the same thing. This vehicle will get 0 to 60 in 9 seconds. That's a long time. And if you ever notice, in most cars, everything's similar. Everything's always in the same spot, the same two, the same window, mirrors. This car is comfy. It handles very nicely. Pickup speed, yeah, maybe I should slow it down a little bit. Overall, this is a very nice car. I do like it. The Buick Encore comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbocharged engine with 155 horsepower. It's giddy upper, but with 0 to 60 at 9 seconds, I don't think you're going to be winning any races, if you know what I mean. Alright, check it out, everybody. We are here to get lunch. Well, then we just start trying everything. Snow cone. Yeah, you're right, it is. Like what's over here, though, you know? Oh, yeah. Let's see. Good, you gonna go first? What are you getting today? Why is it twice? Oh, and hamburgers.
Yeah, one's with hamburgers.
I tried the green last week. Let me try the red this week. Yeah. Can you put it in the container for me too, please? It's hard to eat. I have like a plate to eat it on.
$9.
All right, sir. Bean and cheese with hamburger. That sounds pretty good. I got the red this time though. Let me show you what my red one will look like here, Mike. Red chili. Last week I got green. So good. This is the fry bread and this is the chili. Red. I do not know what all that is. Let's see if we can go see down there and check it out. Digging over there, fixing the road, ran into a big old, I don't know, something exploded. Of course, there's going to be something in the way. It's going away now. Alright, so this drive is over. I had fun in this little Buick. I like the Encore. The Encore's a pretty nice car. Which one would I like more, better, the Jeep or this one? That is definitely a good question. All right, so this drive is over. I had fun in this little Buick. I like the Encore. The Encore's a pretty nice car. Which one would I like more, better, the Jeep or this one? That is definitely a good question. You'll have to join me at the end of each episode. Join me at the end of the season and I'll tell you what cars I like the most. But for now, we are done.